Are you looking for a quick snack or a lunch? Then I have got just the recipe for you. It's a spiced up cheesy toast, and as cheesy as it sounds, it is absolutely delicious. So what do we need? We just need one onion, and I'm using a red onion today, finely chopped. And I'm going to add one green chili in it, a drizzle of sunflower oil right now, and just cook it until it's softened up slightly. And as soon as it begins to change color, I'm going to add a big pinch or a tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander. Now, transferring it in a bowl, just let the steam get out for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to add both the cheeses to it. I'm going to add 50 grams of grated cheddar cheese, and also 50 grams of grated mozzarella. Just give it a mix, combine it all up. Now this mixture should make 2 to 3 sandwiches. So I've got 4 slices right now, and I'm going to just put in mixture in this. And of course you can use any sort of bread, brown, sourdough. It's amazing in sourdough, but my kids love the white bread for this. Now the slices go on top, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of butter on the top slice. Just a drizzle of sunflower oil and quarter teaspoon or just a big pinch of mustard seeds, and let them sizzle, and then a flip. Whoa, lovely. And a minute more, and I think it's ready to be served. And that is ready. Oh, crispy. Oh dear, look at that. Oh. And that, my friends, is a cheesy toast sandwich. It's heavenly.